upcoming event schedule and get tickets for those events, check it out, motorsportproduction.com.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now let's meet your riders and drivers. First up, we're going to start with our Quad Wars riders. Team Las Vegas versus Team California. Team Las Vegas, led by Captain Ben. And Team California, and your captain is Captain Blake. Let's meet your tough truck drivers. At a Hillmar, sponsored by Hughes Mobile Repair, Kelso Towing, Brown Truck Repair, and Dirt Star Mafia. They call this truck the Junkyard Dog. Let's hear it for Bobby Hughes. Our next truck up out of Stevenson, California, sponsored by Pinelli Equipment Repair. Let's hear it for Larry McCormick Jr. Our next driver up out of Denair, sponsored by BD Racing, Mitchell Muffler, Soyo Racing, and Road Dog Tires. And a special happy birthday to Brian Dawson. Our next truck, sponsored by Dirt Star Mafia, Hertz Plumbing, Mazda's Plus, Tony's Drywall, Noble Motorsports, and Troxel Floor Covering. Put your hands together for Dustin Osprey! Our next driver, also sponsored by Hertz Plumbing, CNS Mobile Smoke Test, SNS, and DPF Filter Cleaning, Roger Bubbles Caldwell. Out of Modesto, California, sponsored by Hertz Plumbing, Mazda Plus, and Tony's Drywall. This young man is a U.S. Navy veteran. Let's put our hands together for Cliff Osprey. Also out of Modesto, sponsored by Dirt Star Mafia, Tony's Drywall, Hertz Plumbing, Troxel Flooring, Noble Motorsports, and Mazda Plus, Hercus Reed Jr. And last but not least for our tough truck drivers, he is the leader of the Dirt Star Mafia, sponsored by Tony's Drywall, Hertz Plumbing, Troxel Floor Coverings, Noble Motorsports, and Mazda's Plus. Let's hear it for Papa Herc! Who's ready to meet their monster truck drivers? First up, out of Dixon, California, sponsored by Tony's Landscaping, dependable hair and heating. Rough Stuff, Jim's Transmission. We call him the Canedo Tornado. It's Tony Canedo employing 4 Keys. Our next driver from Springfield, Oregon, running a Ford Raptor body, a 557 cubic inch engine, sponsored by Skies Off-Road Design. This is David Tucker, T-Max. Our next driver up is out of Santa Rosa, California. Been running monster trucks for 10 years. Let's hear it for Ryan Fraser, Survivor. Our next driver, sponsored by Hellsburg Collision, Bull Snot. He is a first-year driver out of Cloverdale, California, Lee Plato, Scattered. This truck out of Klamath Falls, Oregon, running a 496 cubic inch engine. Was a tough truck driver for 12 years, built a monster truck. Sponsored by Hertz Plumbing out of Modesto. It's Tim Manchester, Hillbilly! This driver sponsored by Bullstock, Hellsburg Collision. The youngest driver in the world, 15 years old, Shane Plato, Skull Crusher! Out of Lakewood, California, been driving for 5 years. Sponsored by FTI, it's Brandon Cowie, Wicked Strong! Right now, we'd also like to introduce you to our ride truck drivers. Right now, the first guy up running the 1943 Mack fire truck. Built in honor of the 343 fallen first responders of 9/11, the man with the most beautiful hair in motorsports, sponsored by Pantene, Jake Blackwell! And out front, with our Turnlock JROTC color guard, that's Chuck Jordan, Zombie Tracker. And now we'd like to take a moment to give thanks to people that really make this happen. If we could please have